Okay, sorry for the interruption. Here's part 2 of the notes. So we know x minus 2 is a factor because our remainder here is 0. What I have left from the coefficients at the bottom is 2x to the third plus 11x squared plus 18x plus 9. Now, when I go ahead and check to see if x plus 3 is a factor, I am not going back up to the beginning. I'm going to use this reduced equation, right? That's the same as saying if I take 18 and I decide that 2 goes into it, it's 2 times 9. I have that factored, but if I look to see if 3 goes into it as well, I'm not going all the way back up to the 18. I'm going to the part that has already been factored. So I got a minus 3 here. And since we're showing this is supposed to be a factor, this should also give us a 0, which it does. Okay. That means that I can factor this as x minus 2 times x plus 3 times 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. And that I should be able to factor. I wonder if I can move that up here. There's no reason for me to write that down here. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. This is now a quadratic. So I got x minus 2 times x plus 3. I got 2x and x. What can I multiply? How am I going to multiply this? 3 and 1. So then I get a 2x plus a 3x, which gives me my 5x. It also wants us to list all of the zeros. So there it is, fully factored. My zeros are x equal 2, x equal negative 3, x equal negative 3 halves, and x equals negative 1. Okay. 8. I know we don't like working with fractions, but this really sometimes does not come out too bad. I don't need a 0 in here because I'm not missing any. I bring the 2 down. 2 times 7 halves is 7. Add straight down, I get negative 8. Negative 8 times 7 halves means times 7 divide by 2. I can also divide by 2 first and then times 7. So negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. I get 6. Divide by 2, I get 3 times 7, I get 21. So at this point, it factors into x minus 7 halves, and I could write that nicer, but we're just going to leave it. 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. How about we factor out the 2, because I think that makes it a little easier to see. And the 2 can even live out front. It's not going to change any of our zeros. So my zeros are x equals 7 halves. They told us that one. X equals 3 and x equals 1.